In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reminder in ClickUp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Whether you're new to ClickUp or looking to optimize your workflow, understanding how to set reminders can be a game changer in managing your tasks more efficiently. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. First things first, let's open your browser and head over to the ClickUp website. If you're not logged in yet, you'll want to click on the Login button, which you can easily find at the top right corner of the page. ClickUp offers various login options, but one of the most convenient is signing in using your Google account. You'll just need to click on the Sign in with Google option, and once you do that, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. After you select it, you'll be taken straight into your ClickUp workspace. Now that you're logged in, let's look at how to set a reminder. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the List view within your workspace. This is where all your tasks are organized neatly, making it super easy to find what you need. To set a reminder for a specific task, start by selecting the task you want to focus on. Once you've opened your desired task, look for three small dots, usually located in the top right section of the task window. This is typically referred to as the Options menu. By clicking on these dots, you'll expose additional settings for that task. Within this Options menu, you should see a Remind Me option. When you select this, it will bring up various choices for when you'd like to receive a reminder. You'll notice some convenient preset options including today, later, tomorrow, this weekend, and next week. Think about your schedule and choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're working on something that requires immediate attention, clicking on Today is a great option. This way, you ensure that you don't forget it and keep your tasks in check. On the other hand, if there's something you need to address soon but not immediately, options such as later or tomorrow might be more appropriate. Now, if you're planning ahead and have a task that you want to address sometime in the near future, remember that choosing this weekend or next week can be particularly useful for managing long-term goals. It's a great way to ensure that while you take care of your more immediate tasks, you're still making progress on the bigger picture as well. And there you have it. Setting up reminders in ClickUp is straightforward and can significantly boost your productivity. Once you've got your reminders set, you can relax knowing that ClickUp will help keep you on track. As always, I encourage you to explore other features within ClickUp and customize your experience to better suit your workflow. There's so much more you can do to enhance your productivity, and your reminders are just the beginning. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.